Assalamu alaikum. 6:05 p.m. This is Bangladesh Betar Rajshahi, broadcasting on the evening of Sunday, the 3rd of Kartik, the 26th of Rabiul Sani, and October the 19th. The news read by Alamin Islam Imon. A coordination meeting has been held in Rajshahi with local stakeholders to strengthen public awareness about the Village Code program. The government conducted this program with the aim of the villages should get justice in their own area instead of going to courts for minor disputes. The district administration organized the meeting under the third phase of project at Deputy Commissioner's Conference room today. Deputy Director of Local Government Branch, Md. Zakiul Islam, said village courts are an easy and effective means of getting justice for the common man. He also said that common man still does not have enough idea about the village courts. Therefore, it is everyone's responsibility to inform the people about this program and make the path to justice easier. Md. Zakiul Islam also said if the publicity increases, people will be encouraged to get a fair solution without filing a case, which will save both time and money. He further said, along with government initiatives, cooperation from non-governmental organizations can make the village courts program more dynamic and sustainable. Rajshahi Metropolitan Police and DB Police have arrested 14 people on charges of various crimes in raids at different places in the metropolis. Among them, 5 people with warrants and 9 people in other cases were arrested. Legal action has been taken against the arrested accused. Meanwhile, 2 people have been arrested for killing Mother Hilsa in Jamuna River at Chowhali Upazila in Sirajganj. The Chowhali Upazila Fisheries Office and Naval Police conducted this operation in the Jamuna River this morning. Chowhali Upazila Fisheries Officer Amir Tanvir Hassan Mojumdar said as part of the Mother Hilsa Conservation Campaign that began on October 4, the campaign was conducted at various points of Jamuna River in Chowhali Upazila. During this time, 2 people were arrested along with a boat, 3 lakh meters of current nets and 15 kg of hilsa. Later, the nets were burnt and the hilsa were distributed among the needy. A mobile court was also set up and hilsa poachers were sentenced. A human program has been held in Chapainawganj to protest police torture on teachers and demand nationalization of education in a peaceful program of teachers and employees under MPO. The District College Teachers and Employees Welfare Association organized this human chain program in front of Shah Niamatullah Degree College adjacent to Bisho Road intersection today. At that time, the president of District College Teachers and Employees Welfare Association, Natul Mohila College Principal Obaidur Rahman, addressed the human chain. The speakers in the long hour human chain protested against police torture on teachers and called for accepting the teachers' reasonable demand by increasing medical allowances by 100 and 500 taka, house rent by 20%, and festival allowances by 75%. Rupali Band PLC has distributed loans to young farmers on the occasion of Eid festival at Niyampur in Nauga. Upazila Nibahi Officer Muhammad Murshida Khatun was the chief guest at the distribution ceremony held at Upazila Porishad Hall Room today. During this time, loans were distributed to more than 100 local farmers. The concern said these initiatives has been taken to promote young entrepreneurs across the country to accelerate the development of the agricultural sector. They also said this will play an immense role in the country for security, employment generation, and poverty alleviation. Rupali Bank General Manager and Rajshahi Divisional Head MD Nizamuddin, Nauga Deputy General Manager and Zonal Manager Devabroto Saha, Assistant General Manager Arif Hossain, Niyamatpur Press Club President Shahjahan, and others were present at the event. A cricket tournament based on age has started in Nauga under the initiatives of Cricketers Forum. District Sports Officer Arifuzzaman inaugurated the program at District Stadium ground today. The organizers said 4 teams from under 16 and under 18 will participate in a total of 7 matches, including the final in this tournament. In the inaugural match, Padma team defeated Magna team by 36 runs. Batting first, Padma team scores 141 runs in the first innings and was all out. In reply, Magna team managed to score 105 runs, losing all wickets. The final match will be held on October 27. Finally, weather. The highest temperature in Rajshahi was 34.2 degrees Celsius and the lowest temperature was 24 degrees Celsius at 3 p.m. today. The relative humidity at that time was 57%. Sunset in Rajshahi and adjacent areas was at 5:35 p.m. And that's the end of the news. Our next bulletin will be at 7 p.m. in Bangla.